Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in this morning.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you, that's very kind.
My name is Mark, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
I'm still unpacking. There are so many boxes.
Moving is always hard.
Yes, and I'm a little tired already.
Do you live alone?
Yes, just me.
Then you definitely have a lot to do.
I know, but the neighborhood looks really nice.
It is. People here are friendly.
That sounds good. I hope I'll like it here.
I think you will.
Thanks. I just need some time to learn everything.
If you need help, you can ask me anytime.
Really? That's so helpful.
Of course. Neighbors help each other.
That's great to hear.
Have you seen the street mailboxes yet?
No, I haven't. I don't even know where they are.
They're not far, just around the corner.
Oh, I thought they would be near the house.
No, everyone uses the same mailbox area.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
I can show you if you want.
Yes, please. I need to check if I already have any mail.
Sure, it's a 2-minute walk.
Perfect. I can take a small break from unpacking.
Good idea. Fresh air helps.
Yes, it does. And the morning is so nice today.
True, it's usually quiet at this time.
I like quiet places.
Then this neighborhood is perfect for you.
I'm happy to hear that.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Great, follow me. Here we are. These are the mailboxes for this street.
Oh, I see. There are so many of them.
Yes, every house has one box. Do you know which one is mine?
Yes, yours is number 14. Number 14. Okay, let me check.
Do you have the key with you?
Yes, I have it right here.
Good. Try to open it.
All right. Oh, it works.
Great.
There is one letter inside.
Already? That was fast.
Yes, maybe it's something important.
Could be.
I'll read it later when I go back home.
Good idea.
This mailbox system is new to me.
Many people feel the same at first.
It's different from my old place.
You will get used to it quickly.
I hope so.
By the way, the park is very close from here.
Really?
Yes, lots of people go there to relax.
That sounds nice.
If you want, I can show you the way.
Sure, I'd like to see it.
Great. It's just behind those trees.
Perfect. I like exploring new places.
Then you'll enjoy this walk.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Wow, this park is really pretty.
Yes, many neighbors come here to relax.
I like the trees. They make it feel calm.
And there's usually a nice breeze here.
It feels very peaceful.
On weekends, families have picnics on the grass.
That sounds lovely.
There's also a small playground over there.
Oh, I see it. It looks clean and safe.
The community takes good care of this place.
That's great. I like when parks are well kept.
You can come here to read or just rest.
I might do that in the evenings.
Evenings are nice here. The sunset looks beautiful.
I can imagine.
Do you like to go for walks?
Yes, I walk almost every day.
Then you'll enjoy this path.
It's perfect. Not too big, not too small.
Exactly.
Are there any events in this park?
Sometimes there are small concerts in the summer.
Really? That's interesting.
People bring chairs and blankets.
Sounds fun.
If you ever want company, I can join you.
That would be nice. Thank you.
Sure.
You know, I already feel more comfortable here.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks to you showing me around.
Happy to help.
What place are we going to see next?
If you want, I can show you the local supermarket.
Yes, I need to know where it is.
It's close. We just need to walk a little more.
Great. Let's go.
All right, this way.
And here it is, our local supermarket.
Oh, it looks nice from the outside.
Yes, it's small, but it has everything you need.
That's good. I don't like big crowded stores.
Then this one is perfect for you.
Do people here shop every day?
Many do.
It's very close, so it's easy.
I like that. It saves time.
They also have fresh fruit in the mornings.
That's great. I eat fruit every day.
And the staff is very friendly.
That makes shopping much better.
If you ever need something quickly, this place is very helpful.
Good to know.
Do you want to go inside now?
Maybe later. I still need to unpack at home.
Sure, no problem.
I just want to see the entrance for now.
Then you've seen the most important part.
Do they open early in the morning?
Yes, at 7.
That's perfect. I'm usually awake early.
They close at 9 in the evening.
Good schedule.
There's also a small cafe inside.
Really? I didn't expect that.
They make good coffee.
Sounds nice. I love coffee.
Maybe we can get some together another day.
That would be great.
Do you want to head back now?
Yes, I should return to my house.
I'll walk with you.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
The sunset should be starting soon.
Oh, I want to see it from my gate.
Then let's go.
Lead the way. Here I am, back at my gate.
It looks nice in the golden light.
Yes, the sun makes everything beautiful.
Did you enjoy our walk?
Very much. I saw many new places.
That's good.
The park was my favorite.
I'm glad you liked it.
And the supermarket is very convenient.
Yes, it's a good spot for quick shopping.
I think I will visit it often.
You will. Everyone does.
Thank you for showing me around today.
It was my pleasure.
I feel more comfortable here already.
That's great to hear.
I hope I'll meet more neighbors soon.
Don't worry, they are friendly too.
I'm looking forward to it.
If you ever want company, just let me know.
I will, thank you.
You're welcome.
I had a very nice day.
Me too.
See you around, Mark.
See you, Emma.
Take care.
I will.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a good evening.
Thanks, you too.
Watch the sunset while you can.
I will. It's beautiful.
Enjoy it.
I definitely will.
All right, I'll go now.
Okay, bye.
Hi again, Emma.
Oh, hi, Mark.
How was your unpacking today?
It went well. I finished some boxes.
That's good. You must be tired.
A little, yes.
Do you want to take a coffee break?
That sounds perfect.
This cafe is small, but very cozy.
I like it already.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Outside, please. The weather is nice,
Good choice. The sunlight is warm.
and I can see the street.
Perfect for watching people pass by.
Yes, it feels lively but calm.
What kind of coffee do you like?
I usually drink cappuccino.
Cappuccino it is then. I'll get one too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes I like to relax after work.
That's nice.
And the pastries here are very good.
Oh, I love pastries.
Maybe we can try one later.
Great idea.
Do you know any other cafes in the neighborhood?
Not yet. I just moved here.
Then we can explore more together.
I'd like that.
So, how do you like your new home so far?
I like it very much. It feels safe and friendly.
That's the most important thing.
Yes, it really is.
The neighborhood has more nice spots. I can show you next time.
I'm looking forward to it.
Good. Our neighborhood has a lot to see.
I'm happy I met you, Mark.
Me too, Emma.
Thanks for today.
Anytime. Let's enjoy the coffee.
Yes, let's.